Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing some of my recent thrift flips, all the stuff I bought at thrift stores and resold online for profit. I'm going to be sharing some of my sales from eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. So if you're interested, just keep watching. We're going to start and jump right into it. I'm going to do eBay first. eBay is by far my best performing platform. So first thing were these Ralph Lauren pajamas. I sold these for $31 on eBay. I got these at the bag sale, and if you're new to my channel, I go to a bag sale at a local animal shelter thrift store pretty much every single month. I've missed the past couple months because I've had enough inventory and I haven't needed to go to the bag sale, but my average cost of goods is usually like 30 cents at the bag sale. It's a really, really good deal. So whenever I say something's at the bag sale, just think that my cost of goods is around 50 cents. So that was a great profit. I wasn't sure if these were gonna sell or not because they were actually monogrammed, but they did end up selling fairly fast. Next up is an item I got in a ThredUp mystery box. This came out of the ThredUp, I think they call it the nightwear or sleepwear box. I sold this for $31 and it sold fairly fast. I want to say I probably had around $5 or $6 into this corset. Love to pick up Victoria's Secret. It always sells for me. Next up is this Adriana Papel skirt. This sold for $35 plus shipping on eBay. It was new with tags. I got that at Goodwill Dollar Days, so $1 into $35. You can't beat that. I think that sold within a month as well. I did sell a couple flax pieces this month. This is just the first one I'm going to mention. It's a flax dress. This is in hot pink. By far, my quickest flax sales have always been in pink. So if you find any kind of pink flax top, dress, pants, anything like that, pick it up because that color by far has moved the fastest for me. That sold for $37. And I want to say I got that at the bag sale. Either that or Dollar Day. I didn't pay much at all for it. Next up was a Tory Burch dress. I got this in New Orleans. Actually, one of my viewers, I don't know, I should have asked you. I don't know if you were a viewer on TikTok or here on YouTube. Either way, I greatly appreciate you. You came up to me in the Salvation Army in New Orleans one day and you were in a rush. You had to leave, but you had found a bunch of great stuff and this is one of them and you just gave it to me. So thank you so much. I sold this dress for 40 bucks on eBay. I want to say I had about $6 invested in that. Next up is a Patagonia men's vest. Love to sell Patagonia. It always sells. Lately, I will tell you, I feel like it's been sitting longer than I would like. I'm finding a lot of my jackets and stuff are sitting around like 5-6 months. But they do end up selling. This sold for 40 bucks and I think I had about $5 invested in it. Next up was a helmet Lang tunic top. I got this, well, really for two reasons. I actually found this in New Orleans as well, and I was looking for a piece to wear to an event, and I grabbed this. It was almost exactly what I was looking for. However, it had these big slits along the side. I thought, y'all know I'm short, I thought I could make this work as a dress. Absolutely not. It was not that type of event. So I did list it for sale and it quickly sold for 60 bucks on eBay. And I think I had about $6 invested in that. Salvation Army in New Orleans, prices are fantastic. I think it's every Wednesday they have half off day. I think my average cost of goods is like $3 that day. Can't beat it. Okay, I did finally sell this piece. I've only found Johnny Was one time in my entire reselling career. I sold this for $35. It was stained, but I was just happy to see it go. I had about $4 invested in that. This is, if you're new to my channel, if you're watching while you're working, go ahead, turn your attention to the computer. So these are a pair of AFCO shorts. I always say if I could only sell one thing in my reselling business, it would be AFCO shorts. They never sit. They always sell for my full asking price. I have sold some tore up, stained up AFCO shorts immediately after listing. This was no exception. Found these. I paid about $4 for them. They quickly sold, I think in a day or two, for 35 bucks plus shipping. Love AFCO. If you ever see it pick it up. I promise you it will sell. Next thing, I'm starting to sell sweaters, cardigans, jackets. You're probably seeing that as we're going through this what sold video. I got this at the bag sale. This is an Ann Taylor sweater, and I got this because it had, I think it was like 10-15% Angora rabbit hair. So I paid about 50 cents for that, and it sold for 26 bucks on eBay. This next sale I was kind of excited about because this is my first time ever picking it up, and it was so basic that I thought, this ain't gonna sell. I still listed it, and it sold fairly quickly. This is fresh produce. It is a very simple, solid pink skirt. As you can see, no embroidery, nothing like that, no crazy like fabric content, no linen, silk. It sold for 22 bucks plus shipping on eBay, I think within a couple weeks, so I'm gonna start picking up fresh produce again. All right, next up we have a pair of Chacos. I paid, I wanna say $4 or $5 at Goodwill for these, and they sold for $28 plus shipping. I'm picking up Chacos almost every time I see it. My thrift stores sometimes mark it up like $20, $30. I don't know what they're thinking. However, that's about what I get for mine, is around that $30. If it's a bigger size, I definitely pay up. I sold a pair of Chacos, I think for like $50, maybe even more, used Chacos, because they were in a really big size. So keep that in mind too. If you find larger sizes in this brand, I've had luck getting more for them. Okay, next up is Torrid. I sold a couple Torrid dresses, and both of these were given to me. I received a lot of free inventory. I'll link the video up above because I actually shared it. 2 resellers gave me free inventory that I know. First dress sold for $20 plus shipping. Second dress sold for $23 plus shipping. Love Torrid, especially the dresses. They always sell. Another thing that was given to me, which I've never even sold this brand before, Volatile. These are just a pair of Wedge Sandals. They sold for 25 bucks plus shipping. So if I see them for cheap at the bins or at Goodwill Dollar Day, I'm gonna pick them up now. Love to sell one pieces. Actually, the haul that's coming out Friday, I got a couple one pieces here I'm gonna share with you as well. I have great luck selling these one pieces. I'm going to continue to pick them up, especially where I can get them cheap. This is a Lands End swimsuit. I want to say I paid $1 on Goodwill Dollar Day for this, and it sold for 25 bucks on eBay. Okay, we're going to jump into Poshmark now. First sale is a Guess basic t-shirt, striped t-shirt, sold for $36 plus shipping very quickly. My husband actually picked this out. He goes with me to the bag sale sometimes, and he throws in a couple extra pieces. And honestly, I think almost 100% of the things he's given me at the bag sales to sell have sold. So he has a good thumb. He's picking up some good items. So if you see these vintage Guess shirts, they're definitely selling. I thought it would sell on Depop, to be honest, though. Next up is just a basic Free People top, just a white long sleeve top. This sold for $30. I do like to pick up Free People. I don't pay up for it, though. I paid, I want to say, about $5 for this top. I'm not paying like $15. It just doesn't move that well for me, but it does sell. Next up, this is a new to me brand. I got this in my America's Thrift Store dress 100-pound micro bale. If you have not seen that video, I'll link it down below. I had him do like 2 parts. It's over an hour long. There's a ton of dresses. This is one of the dresses I listed. I have never sold it before. Naif, N-A-I-F. But it was a cute dress, and it sold for $24 plus shipping almost immediately after listing it. So maybe a brand I'll look out for whenever I can get inventory cheap. This is my last pair of Miss Me shorts. One day at a thrift store, they rolled out a new rack, and it had new, or not new, but it had a bunch of Miss Me shorts on it. And they were all really fun. They had a fun print on them. Like I said, this is my last pair, but they sold for $45 plus shipping on Poshmark. I do not offer free or discounted shipping on Poshmark. I will always pick up these Miss Me shorts. I probably won't pick up any that are super basic, but as you can see, these were not very basic at all, so that helps it sell. Oh, okay, so this is a brand I picked up at the bag sale because I heard a couple YouTubers, Kelly Schaffner to be specific, I remember her talking about this brand, Habitat. Never picked it up before. It's my first time ever picking it up. Got it at the bag sale, paid 50 cents for it, and it sold for $23 plus shipping. Can't beat that. That sold fairly quickly, so I'll be picking that up again. All right, let's go ahead and finish this video out with some Mercari sales. My Mercari is one of my least performing platforms. Actually, probably Depop and Facebook Marketplace. Those hardly make these videos. But yeah, Mercari's down there as well. I make maybe a sale a week, but here's what I would recommend that you sell. All these items I'm sharing in these videos are things that I would consider bolos, if you will, things I'll be picking up again. So I want to share them with you. First up were these Sam Edelman flats. They sold super quickly. Sold for $36 with free shipping on Mercari. Got these for free. One reseller gave those to me. Next up is, this is the other flax piece I was talking about. Flax, it just sells for me. Would recommend you pick it up if you can get it for a good deal. Sold for $30 with free shipping. These Vans, okay, so these came in my America's Thrift Supply heel and shoe box. It's like $20 for the box, then plus shipping and everything, you're paying like 35, 40 bucks, whatever. These sold immediately. I had so many people make a comment about these on the video. I knew they would sell. I want to say they sold less than an hour of listing for $59 and free shipping. Super excited about that. Oh, this is the last sale I'm going to mention in the video. Bolo. I am looking out for this brand. I love to look through the sleepwear. There are so many brands I've been researching. There are so many brands that I am not familiar with that sell for really good money. This is one of them, Avery, A-V-E-R-I-E. I'm definitely going to be on the lookout for those. I got these in a thread-up sleepwear box. I think the same one I got that Victoria's Secret corset in. These were new at tags. They did have a flaw in them, and they still sold for $72 with free shipping. Got a ton of interest. So if I ever see the brand Avery, you can best believe I'm picking it up. All right, y'all, so those are some recent thrift flips I have done in the past month. I hope you guys are having a great sales month. I have been listing. Let me tell you, I have a new routine, and it is working out. I'm listing. I've started relisting every day. I've started shipping more often. You guys know I've always been honest. I'm not a quick shipper. I'm getting a little bit better at it. So it's been a good month for me. Of course, these aren't all my sales, but I hope you guys are having a great sales month, and I will see you in just a couple days. This isn't everything. This is just the stuff I'm listing today, but I have a really fun Goodwill outlet haul. I went to a brand new bins I've never been to. Me and my friend Victoria from Super Geek, we actually got in the car and we traveled to a new bins. Well, she's been there one time. I'll tell you more about it in that video coming out Friday. Until then, bye y'all.